So good morning. Medyo na late yung post natin. It's 10:24 a.m. na. Galing pa tayo ng work. Medyo ano kasi, kumbaga graveyard, night shift yung work natin, work from home. Pero no worries. Welcome to our day 3. Lon here, the broke, pero still breathing and still dreaming. So, kahapon, may nag-comment, estudyante ko dati. So, special shout out to Ryan Monterde. Sabi niya, Sir, stop trading na. Sugal lang yan. Maliit lang yung kapital. And to be honest, I respect that. Legit yung concern. Walang halong hate. Puro care. Puro care lang. So, ayun. Pero, ito rin kasi yung gusto kong ipaliwanag. And for me, gusto kong i-test din yung sarili ko. Yes, maliit yung natira kong $12.74. Kumbaga, kung ano, it will last like 2 days only eh. Pero hindi ako magte-trade dahil gusto ko lang. This time, I want to trade to test my discipline. Isa lang trade per day, so it's like 50 pips stop loss, so it's like $5, and then 100 pips for take profit, so it's like $10. Tapos hindi ko na gagalawin hanggang bukas. Alam kong hindi ito easy money, pero kung kaya kong sundin yung rules ko kahit maliit lang yung laman ng account ko sa ngayon, baka kaya ko rin pag dumating na yung tamang time, no? Sabi nga ng isang philosopher, joke lang, sabi ni ChatGPT, if you lose, the lesson is paid in full. So ang ganda, no? So let's see kung worth it yung bayad, kumbaga. And by the way, may dumating na opportunity eh. So side hustle siya. Hindi pa ako sure, pero hoping na magtuloy-tuloy. So kaya sa mga nanonood, kahit konti pa lang kayo, for sure dadami kayo. I'm saying it. kung may thoughts kayo or suggestions, wag kayong mahiya. So mag-comment. Gusto kong marinig yung point of view nyo, kumbaga. And I think napaka-importante rin na naririnig mo yung side, yung views ng ibang tao. And yeah, kita-kits ulit bukas, and that's all for today. So, peace. See you.